Good morning, YouTube. Well, it's morning for me anyway. So, on this W4, before I can start messing with it, this front tire was flat, and I see she's pretty well. And I tried putting air in it, and it did not take it. I think the tube's cut. But I found this in the shed, brand new one. I'm going to put that on there. But first, we got to get this one off. So this one, a lot of them had those split rims that you could just pull off of 3 bolts. So this was on here, took that off. And now, looks like there's a bolt there that's holding that on. So I'm going to get some brake clean on this bugger. And then we're going to get this off. And I'm going to show you that process. Because I've never showed you guys anything like this. I assume it's kind of like doing trailer bearings, where you have a big jam nut on there. But I don't know. So let's clean off some of this grease. See what we got going on in here. There's a nut there, but what the heck is that? Okay, I think you loosen this, and then you can spin the nut. That's my belief. Ah, the bottom's turning, of course. Did I bring another socket here? Oh, there it is. In the dirt. Perfect. If I can get the impact in there, otherwise I gotta go get another wrench. This is kind of overkill for doing this. What? Got a different size on the bottom? Oh, you little bugger. I'm trying to avoid getting up and getting more stuff. There we go. Good thing I had a crescent wrench. Alright, so yeah, I was right. You loosen that so then this nut can come off. I'm hoping that then I'll just back this off, and then I'm bringing this home to work on because I have a bead breaker there and my tire bars, or tire irons, they call them. But let's just show you how to get this off. Okay, put that on. I put a board down so I'm not setting crap in sand. Then, well, we'll bring some grease back with us, but the bearing, let's see. The bearing seems good. Alright, going off. Alright, so that's what that looks like under there. I gotta go pull one more tire, then I'm gonna head home and take care of them. But we'll throw some grease on here. Okay, this bearing looks a little more, it could use some help. Let's take a look-see at it. Yeah, this bearing should be replaced. I'll ask Tom what he wants to do. Do we save it to the guy that buys it? I mean, how much does he want to put into this for the auction? So I will ask him. But this one is ready to get thrown in the truck. And I'll see if he wants me to try to fix that rim, because that rim is pretty well, there's a, spin it over for you guys to see. The valve stem, she's rotted out. So what I'd have to do is cut here, here, and then probably put like a piece of 16 or 14 gauge, kind of form it in there, then drill a new hole for the valve stem, weld it in and grind it. But we'll see what he wants to do. Alright, that's kind of how I take the tire off of a W4. Alright, so I put a new tire on it and a new inner tube, and I already got kind of dirty, but I fixed that. It's not perfect, but it's better than having a rotted hole. I was just going to show you how I do it anyway. So I treat it kind of like a wheel bearing or a bearing on a trailer. You go till it's tight and back it off about 1/8 to 1/4, and it wiggles or moves. So then let's grab a wrench here and tighten that back down and put the cover on. This one's done. I did one other one too. The other one was just a standard. Dang it! I'm gonna need 2 hands. Just a standard with the rims locks on it. So, and I got to clean off my dirt on here. But anyhow, that's how you tighten those down. And yeah, there's my patch job. All right. So that's kind of the quick tutorial on how to do one of these. Again, it's the W-4 solid rim.